Hi guys, Diane here, Millionaire Mom, with how to automate your business, step 2 of the emails. So yesterday we set up our first email, we set up the list, we did the thank you message. Now what we need is a campaign. So we want to create a new campaign. I'm going to call it test, right? And we want it to go on the autoresponder. List, email marketing 2, sequence. Let's see. I'll call it something different. Liam's interview. Top tips. Let's do this one. Top tips for online marketers. Create. Whoops, a daisy. Okay. Save and next. Oh, here we go again. Let me see what's going on here. Subject cannot be blank. So, top tips. For entrepreneurs. See if I get it wrong or miss something out, it helps you too. Right, this is what we wanted. This is definitely what we wanted. This, right, campaign template. What we're going to do is delete that bit. And here's one I made earlier. I wanted to do this one first. So basically, you need to do Control-C, value, value, value. If you make people's lives better, oh, hang on a minute. Do some spacing because that looks a bit blobby. Let's just put some spaces in. Let's put some spaces in. I had a moment about the law of attraction, and I'll put this in a post, so you don't really want to comment below. I'll put that in my Facebook group. So if you've got a value Facebook group, you can actually do this as a broadcast. The lingo's getting to me here. A one-off email. You can, if you've got a list, you can do a one-off email. If you're really inspired by one of your posts, you can send it to everybody, which is obviously automating your business, but that's going to have to be another video. Right then. So then you can put, what are you grateful for today? Regards, Diane. Over. Right. Then you want to hit next. Save and next. And then, right, this is very important. Day 0 yesterday, I told you, was straight away. So we've got the welcome video. We could send this straight after it too. Save and activate. So all that's campaign name test. Right then. Okay. Let's see if we can do another video, another email. Email template. Oh, here we go. This is where I get mixed up with all the boxes. Because you can actually never remember where it is. And this is where you go, oh my God, I keep pressing the wrong button. Day one. Autoresponder. Sequence. Here we go. So this one's about focus. How to get more things. Okay. So you delete that one, go into your, here's one I made earlier, syndromes, which is that one here. This is going to be a really teeny weeny short one, look. You can have short emails as well. Control V. Oh, that didn't work, did it? Sorry. Control Z. Control Z. No, delete. I didn't press Control Z. Control C. And Control V. Don't forget the spaces. This is my top tip for getting things done. Get a timer. Stick it on 30 minutes. Focus. Then you're good to go. So, I hope you get more things done. You put these into practice. Regards, Diane. Whoops. Right then. So basically, you get the idea. You can add, keep adding things on. And these you can drag and drop if you want to change the layout. So this is going to go on to day one. You get the idea now. Day one, day two, day three. So day one to in email language is really day two, because day zero is day one. That's another little bit of confusion for you. But as long as you've got that in your head, there you go. So sorry about that. Well, that's it. So you've got day 0 and day 1 organized, and that's it. See you on the next video.